right, so we did the odds in class. If you need help with the evens, yours need help, hopefully you need. If you watch this and have any additional questions, please ask Ms. Margraf or myself. So remember, if we're putting these into slope-intercept form, part of this is knowing that vocabulary. Slope-intercept form means we want y equals mx plus b. I kind of like to write that as a fill in the blank. There's our goal. We of course want that form usually so that we can graph easily. So I like to, with this first one, we did number 1, I'll do number 2 here. I'm going to circle my y. I'm going to split my equal sign, and I'm going to move that 8x over. It's a minus, so that means I'm going to add it over. So I'm going to do that. Remember, we don't want to break that couple up. If we divided by 8, we would be breaking up the 8 and the x. We want the 8 in front of that x. I'm going to bring down the 2y. I'm going to leave the order. 20 and 8x are not like terms because they don't have the same variable. So that's why I didn't even put the 8x right under the 20. I kind of offset it to make sure that I wouldn't add those. And then I'm going to divide by 2. We need to divide everywhere. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and that has the x with it. Again, I need the y equals mx plus b order, so I'm going to write that fill in the blank here. Going into number 3 a little bit there, but that's okay. The 4 is in front of my x, so that goes in that blank. That's a positive 10, so I want plus 10. This is really great practice. All right, let's look at number 4. Again, we want y all by itself, so I'm going to circle that y. And I might go ahead down here and put that, my goal here, y equals blank x plus or minus blank there. So I'm going to split my equal sign. This is a positive 5x over here, so I'm going to subtract it to the other side. Again, I don't want to break that couple up. If anything is too fast, that's what that pause button is for. Feel free to pause. And then the way that we undo the multiplication here is to divide. So I'm going to divide everything not just by 6y, not just by 6, but by negative 6. So I'm going to be careful here. All I have left over here is y. I have negative 22 over 6, and then that's a negative divided by a negative, so it's a positive 5, 6, x. And then for y equals mx plus b, my 5, 6 goes in front of my x, and it's a negative 22 over 6. That's your b, or your cert. That would be not a nice y-intercept, but your y-intercept isn't always nice. All right, one more in this section to tackle. Again, we're solving for y. I'm going to put that fill in the blank down here. To get y all by itself, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract this 42. It's positive. I'm going to move it to the other side. It's not like terms with the negative 14x because they do not have the same variable. I'm going to bring down my 7y. And there I have 7 times y. To undo that multiplication, I'm going to divide. Negative 14 divided by 7 is negative 2, and it has an x. Negative 42 divided by 7 is negative 6. And I didn't even need my fill in the blank for that one. It was already in the right order. Remember, y equals mx plus b gives us our start. That's our b. That's this blank over here. And our slope, or our pattern number. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you need these, keep watching.